What's up, guys? This is Lisan from Learning Life Lessons with Lisan, and today we got another phone from, guess what, Back Market. Again, if you haven't seen my other Back Market videos, they sell phones and computers and other electronics. And so this time I got the iPhone XR. I'm not gonna be keeping it. I'm trying this thing on Facebook Marketplace where you can flip phones, and so far it's going really well. All right, so let's get right into it. Again, this is the iPhone XR from Back Market. It has 64 gigabytes. It's in excellent condition. It's black, and it came in 4 days, so super quick. All right, so this is the FedEx package. I got it just today, like 20 minutes ago. I did open it up, but I haven't really set up the phone yet, so this is gonna be kind of new to me as well. So let's open it up. I'm just gonna try not to show you my address. So FedEx was quick, and it came in this really nice box. iPhone 12 Pro did not come in a box. It just came in this little package thing. So there's the phone. We'll get to that in a second. Here is a nice thing to go to kind of rest the phone on. Comes with a wall brick that you can plug your USB lightning cord into. This is the lightning cord thingy, whatever it's called, the charger. And it does not look like it's a genuine Apple charger, which honestly is good because Apple, I don't think they make good chargers, the lightning cables, because they're super thin and mine have broke. And then a little SIM insert thing, so you can insert your new SIM card. All right, so now we got the phone. I'm gonna take it out of the package real quick. It's kind of hard to do it with just one hand. Okay, so this phone is almost basically in perfect condition. It's hard to see it in the without much light, but the screen itself is perfect and the back is perfect. Nothing wrong with it. The only thing that I noticed so far is just a couple little scratches. There's those white marks, I think, are just like the paint that came off. That's literally it. Everything, the volume buttons, like power button, you can hear it. I don't know what I did, but you can actually hear that click. The volume also works. You can hear that click, which is important. And then the silent mode, I'm gonna test that out. You can move it up and down, so I can feel that as well. So that's really cool. So everything works. It seems like everything's intact. The screen is perfect. So I'm gonna get it closer to the light. I'm gonna open up my shades so you can see. All right, sorry about that. Again, this is gonna be easier to see in the light. That was just my fingerprint, but the back is perfect. It looks brand new. The camera, you can see a little bit of the paint. Like, it's hard to get it to be perfect. There's a lot of dust too, but I think a little bit of the paint came off. And again, up here, you can see just that little corner has a couple scratches, but everything else, front screen, no scratches, back, nothing. And the back is made of glass, so that's perfect. Oh, so one other thing that I forgot to show is that they actually gave me a screen protector to go with it. They've never given me one, so this is really cool. But yeah, it comes with it came with a free screen protector. I don't know if all the other ones do, but this is my first time getting a screen protector, so that's really nice. I already kind of ruined it by putting my fingerprint on there, but it's all good. All right, so we're in. I'm gonna kind of move it over. So very nice display. So the thing with the iPhone XR is it was kind of Apple made it a budget phone when it came out in, I think, 2017. And so it has the liquid retina display, meaning they kind of, it's not the high res display that the iPhone XS and the iPhone 11 and 12 came with. But it still has a really good display. Plus the camera in the back is a little smaller. So I don't know how the photos come out, but let's check it out. So now we're in. let's check the settings just to make sure. So if you go into general, you can check the iPhone storage. So it has 64 gigabytes. That's really good. It seems to be functioning really well. You can move everything. You can, all the buttons and widgets and everything work. Everything seems to be functioning well. Let's test out the camera. So that's camera. Let's see, photos and everything. So that's video. Yep, there's my computer right there. But yeah, everything works. Nothing wrong. Very happy with the purchase. But yeah, that's the iPhone XR for you on back market. Also, let's check the battery health real quick. So if you go into settings, go to battery, and you can check the battery health from there. And it's at 82%, which is pretty good. As long as it's like 75 and higher, I think that's good. It's been used, so 80% and higher. Anytime you see the battery percentage go down below 100%, you know it's been used for a while. So, but it's not bad. 82% is not bad. So that's good. But yeah, that's about it. All right, guys. So I bought this for 235 bucks on back market. So it was a really good deal. You have to, one thing that I've mentioned, and I should mention again, is that back market, like, they don't always keep their prices the same. So like on weekends, once in a while, they might lower the prices. Holidays, they lower prices. Randomly, they just do. I got this for 235, and I've seen them, and that was last week. This is what I bought it for. But this week it went back up to like 240 to 260. It also depends on the color you're getting, but I was kind of surprised. So if you can figure out what you want to get and then wait a couple weeks and see if the price changes at all, I highly recommend that, just because you can actually save yourself like 20 to 30 bucks. It helps. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just let me know. And you can comment down in the comment section. And if you could like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. But hope you guys have a good rest of your day.